Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make a huge difference in your financial journey, mastering self-control. Specifically, we'll explore the concepts of instant vs delayed gratification in personal finance. Imagine you have $100 right now. You could either spend it on something you want immediately, or invest it and watch it grow over time. Which would you choose? This simple decision can illustrate the powerful impact of delayed gratification. What is instant gratification? Instant gratification is the desire to experience pleasure or fulfillment without delay. It's that impulse to buy something on the spot because it feels good in the moment. While it can provide immediate satisfaction, it often leads to financial instability and regret. Example: buying the latest smartphone on credit without considering the long-term financial impact. What is delayed gratification? Delayed gratification, on the other hand, is the ability to resist the temptation for an immediate reward and wait for a later reward. This practice can lead to better financial health and more significant rewards in the future. Example: saving and investing money regularly, which can lead to substantial wealth accumulation over time. The psychology behind it. Understanding the psychology behind instant and delayed gratification can help you make better financial decisions. Dopamine and rewards. Instant gratification triggers a release of dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical. It feels good, but it's short-lived. Future focus. Delayed gratification requires a focus on future benefits rather than immediate pleasure. It involves self-discipline and forward thinking. Benefits of delayed gratification. 1. Financial stability. By saving and investing, you create a safety net for emergencies and future needs. 2. Wealth accumulation. Compound interest works in your favor, growing your investments exponentially over time. 3. Less stress. With a solid financial plan, you experience less stress about money and more peace of mind. Strategies to master self-control. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you're saving for: retirement, a home, an emergency fund. 1. Clear goals provide motivation. 2. Budgeting. Create a budget that includes savings and investment plans. 2. Stick to it religiously. 3. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. 3. This reduces the temptation to spend. 4. Mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term goals. Real-life success example: Warren Buffett, who started investing at a young age and consistently applied the principles of delayed gratification, now stands as one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Impulse buying. Combat this by implementing a 24-hour rule before making any non-essential purchase. 2. Peer pressure. Avoid comparing your financial progress with others. 2. Stay focused on your goals. 3. Lack of patience. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. 3. Stay patient and committed. Conclusion: mastering self-control and choosing delayed gratification over instant gratification can transform your financial future. By setting clear goals, budgeting, automating savings, and practicing mindful spending, you'll be well on your way to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below with your tips for mastering self-control in personal finance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.